I use a 6-in-1. You know Lizzie, the 6-in-1, and she's fantastic. You can use her for anything. Blush. Blush is usually what I use her for, and eyeshadow. So, and it's right near where you do your contouring. The blush. Just above the contouring. And with the eyes, I actually used something that I found at dumpster diving today, and I love it. So the mascara is the Rimmel that I did from the dumpster diving yesterday, and the eyeshadow is actually, I'll show you. The eyeshadow is this. It's what the Americans call a drugstore product that you buy from your chemists. Our drugstore is called a chemist. So this is from Elf, and it is a shimmer highlighting powder. Personally, it's too brown for a highlighter, but some people like the real brownie highlighters. So this is how it looks like. And they threw it out because it was a tester. So I put it on my eyes, as you can see there. So for that to be here as a highlighter, I think it'll be nice in the evening maybe, but I prefer more the white kind of one. Alright, so what I was thinking of doing is my higher end makeups, not here, but so I'll put on like a darker brown in the corner there. So this is from Maybelline. So I might use, it's called the Rock Nude. Oh, and this contouring thing that I used the lightest one on top here, and the darkest one on the bottom, which is here. And this is AC on Tour Cream Australis. It's an Australian brand. Okay, so I am going to put this brown, and I am going just in the corners, just to touch it and blend it in. My crease. Now let's just compare that. I think it needs to be blended more. I don't know if I'm using the right brush. Hold on, let me just... Right. I'm bringing it up a bit because I've got slightly hooded eyes, so to make the hooded eyes not seem hooded, you have to try and bring the colour up a bit, so when you open your eyes, it automatically opens your eye up a bit. Okay, so I'm going to do the same with the other side. So just dabbing it in the corner and then just in the crease, back and forth. And then bringing it down in the corner, back and forth. Then going up a little bit. I've always wanted to try a cut crease. I think I might give that a go. Now, from what I've been told, cut crease is putting concealer here. And then you look up. And see where it marks there. Okay. Then you and then you put another colour on top, which would probably be a lighter one. Oh my god, I don't believe I'm trying a cut crease. Well, for my first time, I think I'm doing okay. And apparently what's silly is you put the concealer on your eyelid after you've already done the colour. I don't know why. So you're putting colour on 2 times. It's not looking very blended. I think I need another brush for blending. I don't want to use my really good brushes because I'm not using high-end products. I'm using drugstore. Okay, this looks like a good blender. Okay, and I'll try the same with this one. Oh, it's weird. Okay, I know I'm not putting enough on. You know, first time for everything, yeah? At least I'm not here pretending to know everything. I think you probably needed a bit more eyeshadow because the other one, I don't think I put it enough. I mean, eyeshadow, concealer. Right. I think I'll get my blender now and I'll just blend around the edge of the cut crease, not directly in the middle. Okay, that'll do for now. What else do I need? I'll go back in with the dark shade in the corner, I think. By the way, this is the light one I was using here on my car crease, and that's what I'm doing on the sides now. There's a chick called Judy D, and I love watching her. She's from Ecuador, and she does a lot of tutorials on the worst makeup review. She's so sweet. Judy D. And I wouldn't mind doing some myself, going to a makeup artist in Melbourne, doing the worst review, or maybe the best review. Oh, it's very here too much. Okay. Oh, my dog. I'm sorry, sweetie. Oh, Mummy's sorry. Alright. God, it's not very blended. Yep, okay. So, and now all I need to do to finish the look off is I'll put some of this Rimmel lip gloss. Oh, nice, I did my eyebrows as well. So that's the look. And what do you reckon for a novice makeup person? I'm quite proud of myself. I mean, needs a bit of work. The eyeshadows, you know, but not bad. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.